Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey headlight. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a new H11 headlight bulb, which is a common low beam type, and a flathead screwdriver. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. For optimal visibility, it is often recommended to replace both headlight bulbs at the same time. Now, let's get to the bulb itself. Begin by opening your Odyssey's hood and finding the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Use a flathead screwdriver to gently press the release tab on this connector, then pull it off. Next, carefully rotate the old bulb approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to loosen it from its housing. With the old bulb loosened, carefully pull it straight out. When handling your new headlight bulb, always hold it by its plastic base. It's crucial to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can create hot spots and shorten the bulb's lifespan. Now, insert the new bulb into the housing, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise about 1/4 turn until it feels securely in place. For the final steps, firmly reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the back of your new headlight bulb. Double-check that all connections are snug and any covers or clips you removed are securely fastened. Finally, turn on your Honda Odyssey's headlights to confirm that the new bulb is working correctly. This simple process can save you time and money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.